Chapter 4, Exercise 4.1. The question is, construct the following quadrilateral. Okay, the first part is we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which the values of sides given AB 4.5, BC 5.5, CD is 4 centimeter and AD is 6 centimeter, AC is 7 centimeter. See, whenever we have to draw quadrilateral, we must know 5 things. So 5 things must be given to you, and here you are given 5 dimensions. Okay, so before we start with the construction, we are supposed to draw a rough diagram. It makes our work very easy. And then which lines you will be drawing and where will you draw arcs, that will be easier for you. So let us first draw the rough diagram ABCD. Here when I am drawing ABCD, not compulsory it will be a rectangle, I am just drawing a rough diagram. Okay, so this is the rough sketch. And here whatever dimensions are given, I am writing it here. AB is 4.5. Remember, ABCD means A and B are adjacent, B and C adjacent, C and D adjacent. Similarly, A and D are adjacent. Okay, here BC is 5.5, CD is 4 centimeter. Now AD is 6 centimeter and AC is 7. So here in my quadrilateral AC is not there. I will draw it like this. Joining A and C is making AC, so it is 7 centimeter. So see, this is why we need to draw the rough diagram, because when I am drawing it, then I am getting a clear view that firstly I will make AB as a base. Then from A and B, if we draw line segments of 7 and 5.5 centimeter, we can find position of C, isn't it? Okay, so whatever we have drawn here, now we will be drawing it using the compass. So here is our final diagram. So first of all, it's not compulsory that you start with AB only. You can start with BC and then also the construction will be same. For the sake of easiness, whatever base is here below, it's easier for us. So we'll start from here. Here AB is 4.5. So first of all, I am drawing a line of 4.5 centimeter. So starting from 10 and marking at 14.5, it will give me a difference of 4.5. Joining the two. You are advised to use pencil when you are drawing your diagrams here, so that you may see it clearly. I am using pen. Point A, point B, 4.5. Okay, now we need to locate this C and D. So firstly we will find position of C. For C, take A as center and draw an arc of 7 centimeter. Okay, here it is. Starting from 0 and going up to 7. Okay, so open your compass, 7 centimeter. Here it is. Now taking A as center, draw an arc. To find the exact position of C, I need to draw one more arc from BC, which is 5.5. So now we will open our compass up to 5.5. Now take B as center and draw another arc. You may see the two arcs are intersecting each other. Name this point as C. Join B to C. Okay, and as we know, BC is 5.5. Now we got to find position of D. AD is known, CD is known, AD is 6 centimeter. So taking A as center, we will be drawing an arc of 6 centimeter, just like we did for the AC. And then taking C as center, we will draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter. So firstly 6 centimeter. Again, here is your scale, this is your compass. Open your compass up to 6 centimeter. Here it is. Taking A as center, drawing an arc. Then from C, we need to draw an arc of 4 centimeter. Here it is 4 centimeter. So from C, cutting an arc of 4 centimeter. See, the two arcs are intersecting each other at this point. Name this point as D, and to complete the quadrilateral, join A to D and this C to D. Here so ABCD is the quadrilateral. What we need to do is write the measurements of all the four sides. If you want, you can join A and C using scale, and you can show this is the diagonal AC and the length is 7 centimeter. Okay, so this is the required construction.